welcome in our beautiful country.
Thank you for having me.
What does it come in your mind when you hear Burundi? Yo, what's up my people? Meze gute nitwigera tunanirwa kiretse iyo twigirije ni LandryPromoter umuganga umutananirwa tutaha kizimya moto vance vap killer gise ko rukamve ntwari kirumana mu muziki wa kabiri gatanu igifikiri ni Big Fish Mr Mayor w'umuji ndakwibutse neza yuko ko ari je nyine ntangura uruhusha kugira umushitsi cyangwa umuntu wari wese yinjire mu gihugu mu myidagaduro abanza guca ku mutananirwa kwa LandryPromoter kwa Mayor w'umuji umunsi rero turi ku mugoroba igihugu cyacu ni ciza igihugu cyacu kiratagase gifisa akayaga keza turi kibuga cy'indege Melchior Ndadaye hatwaje gutegera umuririmbyi kuva muri South Africa aho neza ko afite igiteramo itariki 31 kuri Susadinen azo ariko n'abaririmbyi batandukanye harimo Rinoji Big Face on the Floor azoba harimo Dramati azoba harimo Monia Fleur n'abandi benshi bazanga surprise n'abandi mwabonye no ku covers bagiye barasohora uyu munsi rero tuza kuvuga icyongereza gusa tuza kuyaga n'umuciri tumwakira niteka tumwakira nigishika nkuko muzi neza ko abarundi dufite urukundo mugumane n'umutananirwa TV muraza kumenya byinshi bitandukanye kuri mu artist wifuza kubona LandryPromoter ndiko ndavuga icyongereza ora ku munota wa mbere ushaka ku munota wa nyuma wo gumana n'umutananirwa TV hama tuze kubereka ukungene tuza kwakira umushitsi wacu Jobless.
First
of all, welcome in our beautiful country.
Thank you for having me.
What does it come in your mind when you hear Burundi?
Obviously, it's not a
napiga muziki ya imo interview.
Like a very known or country that much, but it's there. I just did a few research, just to search the place, how it is. But yeah. I think it's gonna be. I think it's a nice place, and I'm gonna have a good stay.
Yeah.
That's how.
What's your favorite part about performing live, and what can people, fans, can expect from you in a show here in Burundi?
Can you repeat your question, please? I'm so sorry.
What's your favorite part about
performing live? Yeah. I can just say seeing people singing my songs. That's the part I like, because it just reminds me, we see every time when I drop or release this music, people are there listening, and then now it shows when I perform live. They am singing back to me, so yeah, that's the favorite part.
And for the fans, what can fans expect from your performance, from your show here?
Just a good vibe. You mean 31st? Good vibes, South African vibes. I'm a piano. Yeah. So that's the thing I can promise to deliver. Something like that. Yeah.
It is your first time. Are you feel nervous?
No.
Welcome to our country, beautiful country. So it's the first time you come here, and you're going to meet with a big star in our country, like King Sadbi, like Linoji, like Monia Fleur, and others.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel okay, bro. I think Africa is uniting. Let me just say that. It's uniting.
You're not afraid?
No. I've never been.
Have you ever had a chance to check on them on their social media, just to know more about them, to learn from them?
To be honest with you, I just saw. I never saw the whole poster, so I don't know who's there, who's not there. Because I don't know. Like I was just only told, okay, go to Burundi. Yeah. So I don't know who's on the poster. I've never gotten a chance to check who's who. Yeah. That's my honest, response.
Can we wait any project from you and Burundian artists? If yes, who is that?
As I said, I'm not familiar with this market, so I can just say if you are hot, we're gonna work. Let me just say.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about you. How do you blend in traditional African rhythms and modern beats, and what's your creative process like?
Yeah, my creative process, I can just say, it depends on the day. If I'm feeling, down today, I'm feeling happy today. So there's no formula. I can just say I do whatever I feel like doing on a beat. So there's no formula, you know. But I think my style, the way I sing or the way I write my lyrics, always has that whole unique thing that can accommodate any style or any beat that any person can just, you know, bring to the table.
Yeah. Why did you choose traditional African rhythms to combine them with a modern beat? What was your secret?
No, there was no secret. It's just, you know, balancing, you know. If you want a new audience, you have to do something new. If you want to gather, you know, like if you want to capture the older ears, you have to stick to the tradition sound. If you want to capture the modern people, you have to also, you know, tap into their sound. So if you combine them together, I mean, you're creating a bigger community. Yeah.
How do you think South African and Burundi cultures vibe off each other?
I'm not really sure. I think we like the same music. Yeah.
Have you ever heard about ingoma?
Ingoma.
Traditional drums.
Yeah. Yeah, we have a...
Would you like to dance some ingoma while you're here? Because you're going to perform with Amagava.
No, we'll see. So, yeah.
You're welcome.
Okay. Burundian are really proud of their music. How you prepare it?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Burundian are really proud of their music. How are you prepared?
Not sure if I'm understanding the question correctly.
How are you prepared
For the show?
For the show?
Yeah.
No, I just have to make my voice clear, you know, set my my set. By set, I mean to say, like the songs I'm gonna play. I have to check on Spotify, YouTube, which songs are popular here, so that I can just not come here, you know, and play songs that are popular in South Africa but not here. So I think that's the only thing I'm gonna do. And then with performance-wise, man, I'm just gonna vibe.
Which surprise you can give us?
That's a surprise, you just say.
Yes.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
I need to making hits.
Yeah.
You going viral. Other are just vibing your music.
Okay.
What is the inspiration behind your creativity?
I think I just grew up liking music, like doing it. I grew up in a home or a household where my parents used to take us into a church, and then we're gonna sing there every Sunday. So I just grew love for music. So yeah.
You're welcome.
Okay. Sasa mikro yangu.
Muninzi wanyu bamukoreye surprise idasanzwe kabisa, batamvye imwe mu ndirimbo zikunzwe ziwe kabisa. Urabona yuko nawe abinezererewe bidasanzwe kabisa. Hana Burundi bafise ingabire zidasanzwe kabisa, bya hatari sana. Bana barabizi kabisa, bana barabizi kabisa.
Urabona neza yuko yari big surprise idasanzwe cyane.
Iyi ndirimbo ndizera ko atanu umwe atayizi, nimwe mu ndirimbo zigiye gutuma igitaramo kizoryoha kabisa. Urabona ko abana barazi gutamba les amis. Abana barazi gutamba bya hatari, bitajya yaryohewe bya danje kabisa. Mukubise surprise idasanzwe kabisa, mukubise surprise idasanzwe.